Hello, everyone. This is hard to do. I'm stuck at my computer. Uh, my lesson, the part of my lesson plan that I wanted to do was the instruction on what's important in doing a message. Okay. Um, we've discussed what the different kinds of messages that we would like to leave with someone. And now we'll discuss what is important in doing that message. If you are the caller, what information would you need to give to someone else on the phone? Um, and if you're receiving a message, what would you want to know? What would you want to know? Okay, for example, who's calling? Who's who is the person that's on the phone? What do they need? When is the event or whatever that they're trying to convey? When is that going to happen? What day? What time during the day? Uh, where is it going to happen? How can the person that you're trying to reach, how can they get a hold of you to be able to ask you any questions? So what is your phone number? How can they reach you? Um, so what is necessary to take and receive a message? First is accuracy. You want to make sure that your information is correct, and that they get the correct information from you. Um, the second thing is speaking clearly. You want to be able to make your words known. You want to make them clear um, and accurate. You want to make sure that you're telling the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Um, you want to listen carefully. The person that's on the other side of the conversation is going to want to ask you questions. If they don't understand something about your message, they'll ask you questions. And we'll talk about clarifying questions in a minute. So you need to listen carefully. And then if you don't understand something, you need to ask a question. You need to find out the information that you need. If they haven't been totally clear on the W questions, who, what, when, where, why, and how. Sometimes how is important in your message. So this is the basis of it. And so now we're going to discuss, we're going to practice giving and receiving messages to each other. So we'll sit back to back, and so that you don't get any visual clues as to what the person is saying, because on the telephone you don't have that. You're just listening. And so we're going to practice giving a message, receiving the message, and then writing that message down. Okay, let's get to work.